Cool, we're on to bridging and spilling now. I'd much prefer if you grasp the concept behind these exercises than just learnt them. Check out the free guide to accompany these exercises. I'll pop a link in the description if you've accessed this video without having got that. It's a really important idea that's going to make more sense if you look at that guide. These are just some demonstrations of those parts. So advanced exercises, bridging and spilling. This is the Naomi Musasa style where the chords are lasting 4 beats. And so on, so you can feel the chords maybe flowing into each other a little bit more. Now, Tadzingara style, where the chords are lasting 6 beats. Awesome, try and make it your own, have some fun with that, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys.